Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, Hubert here, and in this video we'll be doing the first impression of the DJI Spark. I know that this drone came out like literally last year, but this is the first time when I actually managed to get my first drone, and this is it. It doesn't seem to be the best kind of drone, however I believe that as my first drone, this could be one of the best things I could ever get. In the end, we're gonna tell you if it's good or not, and if you should buy it or not. And I'm also recording this video with my friend Ryan, which is over here.
Right.
So this is Ryan, and he's gonna do the honors of actually opening this thing. There we go.
Okay.
Please do.
This is the box.
Yes, and the drone looks like that. So it's really small. So sadly, you can't move those parts over here, as I don't know why. In different drones, in other drones from DJI, you could actually do that. However, it's really impossible to do it here. So yeah, I believe that this drone is going to be good, as it's really small and you can fit it almost anywhere. And yeah, let's get to it. We're gonna go to different places, we're gonna see how it works. Basically, we're gonna go to the park so we don't really crash it, as this is going to be my first time flying a drone and I don't really want to damage it. Alright, so we're gonna see you in a second. Alright, so we got the drone, we got everything, we made it here. It's like a huge park, to be honest, and honestly, I believe that this is going to be like the best place to be at while testing the drone, especially if I have no idea how to fly it. So yeah, we're gonna try it now, and Ryan is going to be holding the camera just in case something will happen.
I don't think there's more than we can do. How come you think that I still owe you anything more than pain, more than the pouring rain? How can there be more to explain? No, I won't go down the drain, 'cause I was there too, always so true, always so blind.
We were born restless minds, incompatible, different sides. So we had to read between the lines.
I don't think you're worth the trouble, trouble. I think it's over, then you make it double. Perhaps I should've known from the get-go, but some things are just too hard to let go. But I don't think you're worth the trouble anymore. I don't have to wait for the green light from the start. This was an uphill fight. I was at the front, kicking all the way. Yeah. In so many ways, it didn't feel right. And no longer will you keep me up all night. No longer so true, no longer so blind.
Alright, so it has been literally 2 weeks after I tested the actual drone. I would say that this drone is pretty amazing, especially if you're a beginner who's trying to start off making videos on YouTube or any other social media. I would actually say that this drone can do so many things. However, it is only 2-axis gimbal, which means that you might not be actually able to turn it in a proper way you want. And by the looks of it, it seems like the gimbal isn't as good as I thought it was. Also, I would say that flying this drone is really easy for some kind of reason. Literally, that was the first time when I was flying it. I did break the propeller for the first time, as I actually ended up taking it off in my bedroom and I didn't know how to actually use it properly. However, once me and Ryan went to the park, we actually ended up using it properly, and we've managed to get some kind of footage. I don't know if that's good footage yet or not, since I still haven't managed to actually check it out. I would say that this is a really amazing thing. One of my friends, Ethan, was also flying it, and he got super excited about it. There will be a link to his channel. This is a really good piece of item when you're trying to start off doing YouTube and when you're actually trying to do some footage with your drone. Overall, I would say that the camera isn't as good. However, if you do like a little bit of editing, then the footage will be amazing. And also, just please don't point the camera at the sun, as literally the entire image is going to be super blurry and, well, the footage will be wasted. What I noticed actually, the best time to record with the drone is basically during the golden hour time. One of the bad things about the drone was that I've actually managed to lose connection with it several times. So I'm a little bit worried when it comes to flying really high or like in different locations, which could be a little bit dangerous. Overall, I would say that this drone is really amazing. You can do so many things with it. And yeah, I really think that this is like a really amazing piece of equipment, which possibly every beginning YouTuber who's trying to get into photography or any other stuff like that should be trying this. Anyways, if you had enjoyed this video, please like it, share, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. And on the 12th of November, one of my videos will be played on the Liverpool TV. There will be a link to that video in the description. Yeah, so it will be played on the show called Made It in Liverpool TV on the 12th November. And hopefully this video is going to be enjoyable by some people. Maybe my channel is going to get a little bit of more traffic. So anyways, thank you for watching, and hopefully you can subscribe to my channel, like it maybe, so I could actually get more people to, you know, check it out. I know it's been like about 2 years when the drone came out. However, this was the time when I actually managed to see the offer for the drone and I've actually was able to get it. So anyways, hopefully you enjoyed it. Hopefully maybe it kind of helped you. And I will say thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you later.